Hi, and welcome to Mosaic in Minutes. I'm Chloe, and today we're building something fun and super useful, a reading progress bar for your adorable cutie cat post page. All right, let's jump right in. First things first, add a div from the Add panel above the first section. Give it a new name. Let's call it Outer. This is going to be the container of the progress bar, so we'll change a few values. Set a light background color if you want, totally optional. Then switch the position to Sticky and set top to 0. Also, bump up the z-index so it sits above your content. Now, the progress bar will stick to the top and stay visible. Lastly, set overflow to hidden. This hides anything that extends beyond the div. Next, add another div inside the outer one. Rename it to progress bar. Pick a background color, I'm using accent 1, and set its height to 8 pixels. Nice. At this point, the progress bar is just chilling at the top. Not very helpful yet, but don't worry, the fun part is coming up. Time for interactions. Select the post content, because that's what we'll track as the user reads. Go to the Interaction tab and add a while scrolling interaction. Now click the progress bar and add a Translate X action. You'll find it under Translate, obviously. Set the initial value to -100%. This makes the bar start fully off-screen to the left when the page loads. Set the to value to 0%. Now, as you scroll down, the element will slide in from the left and fill the outer div. Let's switch the easing to linear. And just like that, your progress bar moves smoothly without any jumps or dramatic surprises. All right, let's preview it. Looking good. Now, feel free to adjust colors, height, easing, whatever matches your style and your site. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, give a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out. See ya in the next video.